Hello, I went to Sheffield today and I went to Warhammer shop and I got this. Right, it's a Warhammer 40,000 Mystery of Faction pin badge. Now I'm just getting into this. The backstory of Warhammer at the moment is I own 3 books. I got the first one really impressed. Got the second one, I'm halfway through at a minute, and I've got a third one ready and waiting to be read as well. I don't know what kind of army I'm going to get when I actually start buying Warhammer figures. I don't know. So I thought I'd get this pin badge and see if it's got any fate for me. There's 12 pins and there's a rare golden one. So it's 13 really. Looking at this. Or is it a case of there's 12 pins and it was 12 golden ones? Shall we have a look, Clint? Shall we? Yes, shall we? Let's open it. I just put hand cream on, didn't I? Yeah. Yes, I use hand cream because I'm a real man. I say I'm a real man. I can't open it. Hang on. Right, that's better. There we go. That's one tough bugger. Okay, it's not a gold one. Now we get this little thing in there as well. It is. I don't know because I'm still unsure what I am getting, but that's what it is. Anybody who knows Warhammer will know instantly what that is. I don't. Of course, Maverick's playing up again while I'm doing a video. It doesn't say exactly inside the I thought it'd at least say what it is, but it doesn't. So I'll look this up. I'll probably put in the tags of a video, but I don't know exactly what a symbol means or what faction that is. I'm now going to go and murder children. Okay, yes.